Welcome back to my channel. Situated on a 70-acre area, this center is a celebration of nature featuring the hawks, falcons, eagles and owls of Alberta. Birds of Prey has been called a must-see attraction delighting many visitors from around the world. Situated in Coaldale, Birds of Prey Foundation is about 15 to 20 minutes from Lethbridge. Ducks, geese and pelicans flock to the wetlands here because of the habitat. They have a minimum admission fees to support the running of the facility and help their wildlife conservation efforts. You can approach the birds up close and thanks to the foundation. The staff that work at this location is courteous and knowledgeable about the local wildlife. My son had a blast while he was here.